And it goes a little something like
hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be picking up where we left off in my last video where I was doing my hair. Now we're gonna go into doing our makeup for our photo shoot. So first, my eyebrows haven't been trimmed or arched in a long time, so I'm just fixing that up real quick. And as you can see, our wig is still a hot mess underneath our cap, but we're gonna fix that in a bit as well. So right now I'm just arching my eyebrows before I start my makeup process. So how I go about arching or shaping my eyebrows is that I just know how I want my eyebrows to look. So I just clean it up. Like, my eyebrow is not thick, it's not all that thin either. So I'm able to envision how I want it to shape, and I just go with that and just trim it down and go underneath the underbrow area and just line that up and just do it how I like it. Yeah, I don't know how else to explain that. Now that we're complete with that, I'm going to be using my spoolie brush to add in the illusion of thickness to my eyebrows. I already had black eyeliner on it from using it for my makeup, so I'm just using that to just go through it. Next, I'm going to be using my lip balm, and I'm just moisturizing my lip because you know we don't like ashy lips around here. So as you guys can see, I'm still looking up because I was still trying to use the camera, but I lost all the footage for that, so it's a lost cause. But good thing I was using my phone to back up this, so I still got some footage to use. So next I'm using my LA Girl primer, and I'm just rubbing that all over my face before I start doing my makeup. Next I'm going to be adding my black primer over my eyelid. It is from LA Girl again as well. I don't know, maybe down the line they'll sponsor me because I use all of their products. But I'm just putting that on my eyelid, and I'm using a makeup brush to kind of smudge it out into the outer section of my eyelid. I'm looking like I got a black eye, but it's all in the process, just process. Next, I'm going to be adding this green color, and I'm going to pat it on my eyelids. Even just patting on the green made so much of a difference with this look. It just kind of pulled it all together without even being finished. I love a good smoky eye look, and this green, baby, this green was everything. As you guys seen in my Shein haul video, you saw my dress that I had in mind for the photo shoot, and this green matched perfectly with the look. And putting down the black primer first for the green to have something to hold on to was perfect. So next I'm adding the dark brown over that black shadowy area that I made with the black primer, and I'm just adding that over there to kind of blend in the illusion of it transcending into my skin. Now that I'm liking how everything is looking, it is time to get into doing our foundation. So next I'm going to be using my LA Girl Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'll be blending that with my concealer. As per usual, I do this all the time to kind of lower the pigment in the full coverage foundation, as it's a bit darker for my skin, but I always rather my skin or my foundation being darker than lighter. We don't want to look like we're going to a funeral, y'all. So I believe I'm using the shade Fawn to help blend that concealer and foundation all together. putting on my foundation, I'm going to be adding my concealer underneath my under eye area and our T-bone section of our face, which is above our eyebrow, down the bridge of the nose, on the crown of the lips and the chin area. And I'm gonna blend all of that out and then go on to our next step. Don't y'all just love when a good look comes together, y'all? I mean, I have been thinking about my makeup and what it would look like for this day, for the photo shoot, what my hair would look like. I've envisioned this, and just knowing that everything is coming together is the best thing ever. So right now, I'm just finishing up by adding the concealer in my T-bone area. And if you guys cannot see already, I'm just super happy that my look is coming together. My hair is somewhat, we're not going to discuss last night. That's trauma. We're not going to do it to ourselves. But if you want to see that hot mess that I had to deal with, you guys can check out the video just before this one. That is where I did my hair, installed my wig, and bleached it. So that's, we don't want to go into that, but if you guys want to see it, you can check it out. I'll link it in the description box below as well. Also, my makeup was inspired by someone else on YouTube. I just looked up green smoky eye look, and I used her video as inspiration and overall helping me with making this tutorial happen. So check out her video as well. Show her some love on her page. Her makeup was beautiful, and it just made me want to do that look as well. So next, I'm going to be using my translucent powder, and I'm going to be doing that as almost like my baking, but I don't really bake. Baking isn't for me. It leaves this harsh lining when I do my flash photography, and it is just not for me. Baking is not for me. So I found that translucent powder helps so much more, and it just gives me that kind of matte look that I want without having that harsh banana bake look going on. So if you are like me and don't really like the whole banana baking powder, then try out the translucent powder and let me know what you guys think about it, if it works for you the way it works for me.
Love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody.
For today's makeup look, because we're doing a photo shoot and we want our makeup to stay on longer, we're gonna be adding some powder foundation that will kind of help mattify our makeup look and have it set for longer. Now I'm just brushing away all of the excess powder from the translucent powder. Next, I'm just going to be adding some eyeliner to my under eye area, kind of like in my waterline, just lightly. And then I'm going to be applying some of that same green color that I used before, and I'm just putting that under that underlid area, just a little bit, not too much. Next, in my palette, I had this shimmery gold green color, and I'm just applying a bit of that in my tear duct area right there in the little, I don't know what you call it, but I call it like my little fairy dust area, because that's where I put like a little bit of highlight most times when I do makeup as everyone else, but I used that gold green color that I had in my palette, and I just add just a little bit right there. Next, I'm going to be using my matte black lipstick, and I'm going to be using that to form my wings or my eyeliner. Next, now that my wings are complete, I'm gonna start working on my lips. So next I'm just applying some of that powder foundation that I have, and I'm just using a brush and just patting some of that on my lips to kind of matte it so it doesn't have so much of that gloss texture to it before I start applying my lip liner. So I'm using a black lip liner to outline my lips, and I'm using that as kind of like a natural ombre nude tone look. So I'm using that and I'm putting my lips together to kind of blend it out, and you can see that it's given that look that I want, that ombre effect. Next, I'm going to be applying some of my eyeshadow, but I'm actually applying it to my lips because I don't really have that lip color that I want. I don't have that lipstick. So I'm using my eyeshadow to give me that color that I want, that nude brown tone in that midsection right there to complete my ombre look. As you can see, we always try to be resourceful. If we don't have something, you don't need to go out and buy all of the colors that you need in a lip gloss or lipstick, guys. You can literally use your eyeshadow to make any look or any lip colors that you want. So I'm just showing you here the color that I use, that I apply to my lip. Now that we're complete, we're almost done. So now it's time to add our lashes. So now I'm going in between these two, trying to see which one I would want to use, and I went with these ones, the ones in the little pack that I got from Shein. I felt like they weren't so dramatic and they gave the look like a complete look. Drama, but not too much drama. And can we just appreciate the journey of me applying lashes, y'all? From my first video where I did put on lashes for the first time to now practically knowing how to do it in like that. Come on, give us a like for that. Also, guys, if you're new to my channel, what are you doing? If the button is red, that means you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I do makeup tutorials, hauls, unboxing, you name it. I probably do it, have done it, or going to do it. So you don't want to miss out on any of that. So just click that subscribe button and hit the post notification bell so you can know whenever I upload a new video, and join the family. I don't know what I'm gonna call us yet, but for now we're family, we're cousins. Hit the subscribe button. So as you guys can see, I'm applying my lashes, and like I say, your girl has come a long way from not knowing how to apply her lashes to being a little professional over here. Snap, snaps, clap, claps for me. Next, I'm gonna be applying some of my mascara to my lashes, just so it could all blend in and get rid of some of that eyeshadow powder that may have gotten on my lashes. Now, to finalize everything with our makeup look, we're gonna set it all in with our setting spray, and then I'm going to get dressed and I'll be right back to finish up this whole entire look for you guys. Y'all, this smile is the smile of someone who understood the assignment and delivered. If y'all tell me I didn't nail this look, my hair and my makeup all together, I don't know what to tell y'all. I did that. I did this, okay? So anyways, now I'm just flat ironing my hair and putting it in the style that I want it to be in. I wanted to do like that, kind of like a fan back front section style that kind of lay over. I don't know what to call it, but that's what I was going for, and I feel like I executed it the way I wanted to. So yeah, that's how everything was looking, and the look tied together. I was super happy. My hair, even though I had that struggle with it the night before, and my makeup was on fleek, my dress fit, and everything just came together so perfectly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new. We're doing great things over here. Join the family. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Got time, but right now I think I need someone.